My name is Dwight Bizzell, and I'm from Sikeston, Missouri, or Southeast Missouri. So my dad started Bizzell Lawn Care in 1980, right out of high school. He decided, college wasn't for him. He went for a day. He's like, nope, not me, not me. So him and my grandpa started the business in 1980. My grandpa did it earlier, but not as a formal business. And then it grew into a nursery-based business, all that. But in 1980, my dad started the lawn care business, which performed everything from mowing commercial properties to commercial applications. But then I came back to Sykes in 2014, and I learned very quickly that I had a passion in the turf industry, in the application world. And we, within 2 years, really dove into that side of the business, have bought anywhere from, I think it was 5 spray companies in the last 10 years and merged them all into one now under the Green Grass Guys flag. So we service about 12 to 1,300 different properties, including golf courses, municipalities, residential, commercial, to industrial. I grew up in kind of a transition age of people that tech is good, tech is bad. I kind of fell on the tech side. I have a past in software. And when I started applying to turf and I switched over to steel greens, I knew it was always a vision and a dream for them to start adding a little bit more technology to the spray rigs. And I was 100% behind that dream, from linking softwares up for companies like myself to be able to see what's going on a machine, see where the machine is, see what it's doing, making sure everything is applying correctly. And having something on a machine that can help ownership and management really make sure the application is happening correctly, that's gold to us. In my corner, the biggest thing is making sure that the right amount is coming out, making sure your application rate is spot on. What Opti-Rate does for me is that exact thing. If my applicator is going 3 miles an hour or 6 miles an hour, the right application rate is coming out. You're not worried that if they stop or they slow down, that you're still putting out that, let's say, that 20 gallons per acre at the wrong speed. You're getting the right amount coming out. And what's really nice about it, like I said, is it's gonna tell you if something's going wrong. What I really like about the Opti-Rate as well is the banding opportunity. So if during pre-emergent season, we at Green Grass Guys, we come back and we reband everything on the edges. We have a sandy, lumier soil, so we know breakthrough is a lot easier here than elsewhere. And so what we do is, on that screen, is you push the band button, and that outside right tip puts out anywhere from 20, 25, 30% more for that edge for you. And we've seen significant difference on hold because of that technology. From the owner's standpoint, having the evidence that you have done the lawn through the razor connection with it, and knowing that your new employee that you've hired has a way better chance to succeed and not make a mistake, is worth the investment of the Opti-Rate. We really thrive at precision. Maybe it's because I have a little bit of OCD. We like to keep a clean shop. We want to be accurate. We want to be perfect. And you're never going to be perfect in the turf industry. That's just bottom line. If you're spraying an acre, you're going to find a weed, right? But as long as we can have the tools to get us almost to that 99%, we're happy. And Opti-Rate does that for us. It gets us that much closer to being perfect. And I will say, if you don't have that on your machine, you're behind the times. Steel Green's customer service is second to none. And that's the reason why my companies will always be with Steel Green. It's because the quality of the machines, obviously, but the quality of the customer service is honestly second to none. I mean, they care. They really do care.